So, dear students, in last video I told you what is Gauss theorem. There are two statements. Number one, surface integral of electric field over a closed surface which includes some volume inside is equal to total charge inside the surface divided by epsilon 0. And secondly, the electric flux through closed surface which includes some volume inside is equal to total charge inside divided by epsilon 0. So please learn the statement by heart. हमारे हिंदी में जब पढ़ते थे लिखा होता है कंठस्थ याद करें कंठस्थ मीन्स लर्न बाय हार्ट you should be able to speak the statement without any thought in your brain. Keep on doing, revising, stating. So to prove Gauss theorem, what we do here, I will take simple proof. Suppose it is point charge Q here. To apply Gauss theorem, we need a closed Gaussian surface. We need a closed surface. Suppose we take here a sphere whose the charge Q lies at the center of the charge Q. This charge Q lies on this is a sphere here, not a circle. It is sphere like this, no? So this charge Q is placed at center O. Let the radius be R. This sphere here, is a closed surface and which is called Gaussian surface. This is called Gaussian surface here. This surface should be closed, maybe of irregular shape also. Not necessarily the sphere, maybe any irregular shape. But I have taken here for sake of simplicity. This charge is positive, so electric field at this point P will be radially outward. Now if we think area element ds, I told you the direction of area element always normal to surface outward. So here vector E and ds both are parallel. You can take anywhere this small area of sphere. This is the small area of sphere which I written as vector ds. So you can write in figure a point charge Q is there. We suppose that this charge be placed at center of the sphere and this sphere is supposed to be Gaussian surface. You can write it. Now as E dot ds for closed surface is equal to integration s E dot ds cos theta. Here since vector E parallel to ds, so theta is equal to 0 and hence integration s E dot ds is equal to integration E ds. What is the electric field produced by stress charge Q? What is the electric field at this point P on the surface by charge Q? And we know from Coulomb's law, that electric field due to a point charge Q at distance R is E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. So putting this value of E here, we get, what do we get? Integration S E dot ds is equal to integration for closed surface S 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square ds. Simply I have put the value of E, because from Coulomb's law we know electric at distance r is equal to 1 upon 4 q by r square. Now integration constant values are taken out, and you please try to understand this here. Only you have to learn this integration in mathematics. So we can write that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by square integration s ds. Sorry, ds is the area element, and integration ds means total surface area of sphere. Here integration ds is equal to total surface area of Gaussian surface. Total surface area of Gaussian surface. And what is Gaussian surface here? The Gaussian surface area is a sphere, which is equal to 4 pi r square, and therefore integration as E dot ds is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r square into 4 pi r square. So only thing left is q upon epsilon 0. 4 pi cancel, r square cancel. So that way we can prove Gauss theorem using Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law taken here, fundamental law which was derived empirically. ठीक है भाई? And you know E dot ds for closed surface is also equal to total electric flux through the surface. Total electric flux. So we have proved this Gauss theorem. Now why we are learning Gauss theorem? Because we want to find out electric field due to different charge distributions. So I will take in next video, but before that I want to tell you one question here regarding electric flux. So electric flux unit is Newton meters per coulomb. Dear students, please try to write units wherever you write any quantity. If you write electric field is 100, then write unit Newton per coulomb or Newton per micro, जो भी value आएगी. But use units and try be calm and quiet. Don't be in hurry to learn the things. Actually, students are in very much hurry. My question is here that yesterday I told some question to you. It is a cube here. It is a cube here, and electric charge is placed on one surface. This charge Q is on the surface itself. So what is electric flux through the cube? Please listen me carefully. The charge Q is placed on the surface of cube. How much is the electric flux through the cube? So Gauss theorem states that total electric flux through surface is equal to total charge inside divided by epsilon 0, closed surface. I was stressing while telling Gauss theorem the closed surface which include volume. So here volume is in this, not in this surface only. So we imagine another cube here, and then electric flux through that cube will be phi equal to q upon epsilon 0. So this flux is linked with two cubes. So with single, so electric flux through given cube phi equal to half of this q upon 2 epsilon 0. 2 epsilon 0. Because the statement of Gauss theorem is that electric flux through closed surface, which includes some volume V. Surface should be closed and having some volume. Now I change the question here. Let this charge is not placed on surface. Other question is there. Charge Q is placed at this corner. Then how much electric flux is linked through this cube? The closed Gaussian surface. This charge is not inside. We imagine cubes here in the same, and then cube here. That way 8 cubes will be there. 8 cubes will be there. How many? Because one more this side also, and here also. So the electric flux of this charge Q will be, for this charge Q, 8 cubes will be there which will surround this charge, and hence electric flux through a cube, if point charge Q, point charge capital Q is placed at one of the vertices. Plural vertex is given by phi equal to Q upon 8 epsilon 0. Such type questions are asked everywhere in every exam, board exam, competitive exam. Remember Gauss theorem. Simply, total electric flux through closed surface is equal to total charge inside divided by epsilon 0, like that. Okay? So now in next video I will be telling you applications of Gauss theorem. Thank you.